A lot of people are asking, how do you get to know how much an estimate for a truckload is going to be? And one of the things that when I first got into the business, it takes a little bit of skill to build on this. But what you can do is, while you're filling a truck, kind of get an idea of how much an eighth is, a sixth of a load is, a half a load, 3/4 of a load, so that you can conceptualize, take that vision of what your truck box looks like with a half a load. When you're walking through the house, kind of, this is going to fit into the box this way. This is going to kind of conceptualize. Yeah, I mean, I've done 5, 6, 7 truckload jobs and been pretty right on after I'd had about 1 or 2 years of experience. So realize that it takes some time to get used to this. But in the beginning, if you can use that conceptualization to where I look at a couch or I look at a piece of furniture or anything, and how much room is it going to fill up in the back of the truck, you can kind of get an idea what the estimate is going to be. And again, the estimate is going to be a low, a middle, and a high, so that you have this range to give the customer, so that when it comes to an opportunity to upsell, you can go back to Mrs. Smith and say, hey, listen, it was the half. It was half a truckload, which I told you, which was right in the middle of my estimate. But for an additional $40, we can just take the extra bag of leaves you had there, or the extra whatever you had in the garage. It gives you a great opportunity for your guys to upsell. So when you're learning how much to charge for a truckload, it's all about conceptualization. What will it do? How will it fit in the box of the truck? And what is a quarter load? What is a half load? So I encourage you guys to not only load the trucks, but look back and see how much they're actually filling up in the box.